make a romantic Valentine's Day scene. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna get right into this video because I gotta go to work. I'm gonna use these two cute little candles that I had previously that I got in the haul. And these two cute little balls, they're really candles, but I'm gonna use them as just decor. Y'all remember this? I got from, I think Burlington Coat Factory. Let me turn the lights on here, y'all. I think I got it from Burlington Coat Factory, I believe. Okay, ain't that cute, y'all, already? Okay, y'all. Y'all don't know that I can cook. I can cook a little bit, but I made these chocolate covered strawberries. So I am going to place them right here. I should have placed this here. This here. And I also made this table, y'all. So a lot of people was asking me, was this table sturdy? Yes, it is. Okay, so these are the little Hershey's Kisses. So basically what I'm doing is I'm making a tablescape. Actually, it's like a Valentine's Day dinner setup. So I'm going to make a tablescape too. So this is going to be like the dessert tray where you are served desserts or whatever. You and your lover can come over here and you know, taste these delicious, delightful desserts. Okay, y'all, so let's move on to the tablescape. Okay, Glam fam, so here is the table we're working with, and I'm going to get started. Okay, so to make everything look super real, I decided to add a his and her present tray where the gifts are on the tray. So there's a watch, a watch for him, and an eyelash case. It's a Coach eyelash case for her. So we got the watch for him. So I thought that was something that would be different to add, you know, the whole glam type of look to it and add gifts to make it look super real, which these are some real gifts. So, but I hope you all like everything that you see. If you do, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hey, y'all, this wine already hit me. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.